Sometimes you may have several drawings open at once, and you're required to get out of the software, AutoCAD or Civil 3D, and you realize I got to go through each drawing and save each one and close it and save each one and close it. Here on my screen I have three drawings, and as you can see, because of the asterisk to the right of the name in each drawing here that I have open, these drawings have yet to be saved. So if I want to close down the software, but I don't want to open up each tab to open and then save and close, open, save, close, I can do the save all command. This will save all the drawings at one time, and you're going to see that it's going to take a little bit of time. Of course, the more drawings you have open, the longer it takes. But now, as you can see, look at each name of my drawing. There's no asterisk to the right of them, so therefore they're all saved. And now I can do the close all command, and close all will close all my drawings. And I will have saved them and closed them, and I'm ready to move on to the next one. So I hope you find this useful. Let me know if not. All right, thank you.